Welcome back. Trains on Konkan Railway route are running much slower than the estimated time. Scheduled trains are arriving and departing as late as 2 to 18 hours. Major trains like Konkan Kanya and CSTM Mangalore are running 18 and 11 hours late respectively. Following the derailment of a goods train on the Konkan Railway tracks, train service continues to be disrupted even on Savat Day. Hundreds of passengers were seen stranded at Konkan railway station in Marga on Friday. Some are travelling to celebrate the festival and some are on vacations. But the train services are drastically disrupted.
मैं बॉम्बे जा रहा हूँ फैमिली के साथ। अभी इंक्वायरी करने से पता चला कि आज ट्रेन लेट आने वाली है, तो अभी देखेंगे ट्रेन कब आती है।
Here is the list of trains which were delayed. Madgaon Diva by 28 minutes. Ganpati Special by 2 hours 37 minutes, Hapa to Margaon 1 hour 48 minutes, Mangalore CSTM by 11 hours 43 minutes, Konkan Kanya by 18 hours 37 minutes, Netravati by 3 hours 46 minutes, CSTM to Mangalore by 11 hours 43 minutes and Konkan Kanya by 7 hours 12 minutes. Reporter Dattaraj Naik and Victor Azaveda for Prudent. Soil erosion at Baina beach has become a reason of concern for the locals who immerse their Ganesh idols at this beach. Locals have demanded that during immersion on Saturday, lifeguards should be deputed at the beach. Similarly, they have also demanded proper lights on the beach so that devotees can immerse Ganesh idols safely.
Have a look at the Baina beach. People use this sea to immerse Ganesh idols on 1.5 days and even of 5 days. But now this immense soil erosion has created fear among the locals. There is no man to guard the beach, neither there are proper lights at the beach. Locals have demanded that lifeguards should be deployed at the beach and proper lights should be installed.
Light provide करपाची आणि ह्या वर्सा सॉइल इरोजन खूप जाल्लें आसा आणि गणपती विसर्जनाक लोकांक खूप अडचणी येवपाची आहा तेन्ना सरकारान हेचेर काहीतरी लक्ष घालपाचें आणि लायफगार्ड एक प्रोवायड करपाचे.
आमी हांगा गणेश उत्सव विसर्जन करपा खातीर येता, पूण ह्या वर्सा अशें वातावरण जालां कितलें सॉइल इरोजन हांगा माड पडल्या, इलेक्ट्रिकल पोल पडल्या, धोक्याची घटना हांगासर आसा अशी दिसता. लायफगार्ड हांगासर चड प्रोवायड करपा जाय, त्याच बरोबर लायटीची व्यवस्था जावंक जाय अशी दिसता.
Environment and Forest Minister Alina Saldana had also inspected the beach and had assured to look into the matter. But seems like locals have to somehow manage this situation. Dishan Parab for Prudent.
The High Court has quashed the judgment of the trial court in Vasco's Rupa alias Samiksha Shetty murder case, acquitting accused husband Samir Shetty on the ground of insanity. The trial court, without holding the accused guilty of any offence, had given benefit of doubt to the accused. Now the High Court has remanded back this case to the trial judge to reconsider the evidence on record and to decide which of the offence, if not murder, has been committed by the accused and to hold him guilty and convict him thereof and to impose appropriate sentence. The High Court in its judgment has questioned the trial court's judgment acquitting Samir Shetty for murdering his wife and releasing him on the ground of insanity. The High Court has observed that the trial judge did not decide as to which of the offence, if not murder, had been committed by the accused before giving the benefit of doubt to be an insane. The High Court further remanded this case to the trial judge for reconsideration of the evidence on record and for hearing both the parties and to pass an appropriate order of holding the accused guilty of a particular offence and convict him thereof, and after hearing the parties on the point of sentence, to pass appropriate sentence. The High Court has not fixed any date for appearance of the accused Samir Shetty before the trial court, as he is untraced since April this year. The High Court has also directed the trial judge to issue appropriate process to procure the attendance of the accused. On 1st December 2009, Samir Shetty had stabbed his wife twice in her abdomen at his home at Vasco and got arrested by the Vasco police from the scene of crime. Initially, he was charged for attempt to murder, but after battling for life about 9 months, Sameer's wife died on 6 September 2010 and charge against him was enhanced for murdering his wife. The Margao Additional Sessions Court, in its judgment dated 28 June 2012, has acquitted Sameer Shetye from the charge of murder. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.